In this video tutorial, we will learn more sentences to start and conduct a conversation at a barber shop. This is our English to Urdu speaking tutorial, but you can also use it to learn to speak English from Urdu at the barber shop, नाई की दुकान पे और at the hair salon, बालों के salon पे. The barber asks, or the hairstylist asks, what can I do for you? Now let's translate this sentence word by word in Urdu. What can I do for you? What is क्या, can, कर सकता हूँ for male and सकती हूँ for female. I, मैं, do करना, for के लिए, and you is आप. Now, if we want to translate the sentence, what can I do for you in Urdu? Then we will start with the subject, which is मैं. Then comes the object आपके लिए, and then comes the verb क्या कर सकता हूँ. मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ for male and सकती हूँ if I am a female. And in the end question mark. What can I do for you? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ, और मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकती हूँ. Or they may ask us, what would you like today? What would you like today? In Urdu, what can be translated as क्या, would कराना चाहेंगे, करना चाहेंगे, और गे for future, आप, you, like, चाहेंगे, चाहना, चाहेंगे, चाहें, and today is आज. Now we want to translate what would you like today. So we can translate it in Urdu as आज आप क्या चाहेंगे. So we start with the time information, आज, then comes a subject, and then the rest of the sentence. आज आप क्या चाहेंगे. What would you like today? आज आप क्या चाहेंगे. Now the customer can answer I need a haircut or I need a trim. Let's suppose we say I need a trim. So haircut means the proper cut, but the trimming means छोटे बाल. So you will say मैं और मुझे, need ज़रूरत है या चाहिए. Need is ज़रूरत and want is चाहना. आ एक and trim is बाल कटाने, छोटे बाल कटाने, छोटे बाल कटाने. So छोटे बाल कटाने means to get the haircut, a small haircut. So we will say it in Urdu like मुझे छोटे बाल कटाने की ज़रूरत है. और you can also say मुझे छोटे बाल कटाने हैं. I need a trim. मुझे छोटे बाल कटाने हैं. Now the barber may ask us, do you need a wash? Means, do you need your hairs to be washed? So in Urdu he can say do क्या. You आप ज़रूरत है. Need means ज़रूरत. A is एक and wash is wash or धुलाई. धुलाई. So in Urdu if we want to translate do you need a wash, then we can say क्या आपको वॉश की ज़रूरत है. डू यू ऑल्सो नीड अ वॉश. क्या आपने वॉश भी करवाने हैं. क्या आपको वॉश की ज़रूरत है. Now let's suppose we say or the customer says yes and I need a shave. Or you can also say yes I also need a shave, or simply yes I need a shave. So we can translate yes as हाँ, and as और, I as मुझे, need is ज़रूरत, a is एक, and shave is shave. So to form a sentence in Urdu we will say हाँ मुझे शेव की ज़रूरत है और मुझे I also need a shave. So let's suppose मुझे and also is भी. मुझे भी. So you will say हाँ मुझे शेव की भी ज़रूरत है. Let's suppose we say or the barber asks or the hairstylist asks, do you also need to color your hair? To color your hair. Now in Urdu, do can be translated as क्या, you, आप, also is भी, need is ज़रूरत, to is के लिए, color is रंग, your hair can be translated as आपके बाल. Your is आपके and here is बाल. Now to form a sentence, do you also need to color your hair? We will say in Urdu, क्या आपको बाल भी रंग करवाने हैं? क्या आपको बाल भी रंग करवाने हैं? Do you also need to color your hair? Or we can also say, do you need a hair color? क्या आपको बाल भी रंग करवाने हैं? So the customer can say, no, I will do it myself. I will do it myself. No, I will do it myself. Now we translate no as nahi, I is मैं, will ga for male or gi for female. Do is करना और करूँ. It ये, myself is खुद ही. Now if we want to translate no, I will do it myself, then we will say नहीं, ये मैं खुद ही करूँगा. नहीं, then ये मैं खुद ही करूँगा for male and गी for female. नहीं, ये मैं खुद ही कर लूँगा. नहीं, ये मैं खुद ही करूँगा. No, I will do it myself. नहीं, ये मैं खुद ही करूँगा और नहीं, ये मैं खुद ही करूँगी. Now the barber says, or the hairstylist says, all right, all right. How much do you want me to cut? Do you want me to cut? So, how do we translate it in Urdu? All right is ठीक है. How कितने, much ज़्यादा, do you want, do you can be translated as आप, want me, want is चाहते, चाहते, and do is हैं. Me can be translated as मुझसे, to cut, कटवाना. So how do we translate this sentence, which is all right, how much do you want me to cut? So we will say ठीक है. ठीक है. आप कितने कटवाना चाहते हैं? ठीक है, आप कितने कटवाना चाहते हैं? All right, how much do you want me to cut? Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. I will see you in the next tutorial, in which we will continue our discussion about how do we communicate in Urdu and English at the barber shop or at the hair salon. If you had liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, then please subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.
Like, share, subscribe. ifactner.